So you can always pay your taxes on time using our online banking application. You can also make use of the LBP Link-Based Portal application. And whenever you make use of the link-based portal, meron na din naman doon yung uh, other banks in which Land Bank is connected with. So you can also pay. So pag ginamit niyo po yung link fees, pwede po kayo magbayad doon gamit ang RCBC, pwede rin kayo magbayad doon gamit ang BPI, etc. So these portals are only means for you to pay your taxes. And you can make use of your online bank accounts to pay for your taxes. So again, online po ang filing, online din ang payment. Pero kung gusto po ninyo, pwede ninyo yung pumunta sa bangko at doon po kayo magbayad. But generally, you can now pay. Actually, ang requirement na po ngayon, you need to pay online. You can only pay to the bank if ever it is offline.